Imagine a world where AI doesn't just understand your words, it anticipates your needs before you even finish typing. In just 12 months, the entire landscape of artificial intelligence is about to transform completely. These 5 language models will dominate 2026, and what they can do right now will absolutely blow your mind. Welcome to AI Insights. If you're watching this in late 2025, you're witnessing the calm before the storm in artificial intelligence. The models we're about to discuss aren't just incremental upgrades. They represent fundamental shifts in how AI will integrate into our daily lives, businesses, and creative processes. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 language models that will absolutely dominate 2026, based on current development trajectories, leaked capabilities, and industry insider information. This isn't speculation. This is where the technology is actually heading. Let's start with number 5, DeepMind's Gemini Ultra 2.0. Now, you might be thinking, Gemini, that's already here. But what's coming in early 2026 is something entirely different. The current Gemini models are impressive, but Gemini Ultra 2.0 represents Google's answer to the multi-trillion parameter models we've been hearing rumors about. What makes this particularly exciting is its reported capability for true cross-modal reasoning. Not just understanding text and images separately, but genuinely grasping the relationships between different types of information. For example, imagine showing it a complex scientific diagram and having it not only explain the concepts but suggest improvements based on the latest research papers it's processed. The key differentiator here is what insiders are calling contextual memory persistence, the ability to maintain context across conversations that span days or even weeks, remembering not just what was said but the emotional tone and unstated implications. This could revolutionize everything from therapy bots to long-term business strategy planning. Moving to number 4, Anthropic's Claude-Next. Now, Anthropic has always taken a more cautious, safety-first approach to AI development, but Claude-Next represents their most ambitious leap yet. What we're hearing from beta testers is that Claude-Next demonstrates what can only be described as strategic foresight, the ability to not just answer questions but anticipate secondary and tertiary consequences of decisions. In practical terms, this means a business could ask, should we expand into the Southeast Asian market? And get not just market analysis but predictions about how competitors might respond, potential regulatory changes, and even supply chain implications 6 months down the line. The model reportedly achieves this through a novel architecture that separates reasoning into multiple specialized subminds that collaborate on complex problems. This isn't just another chatbot. It's potentially the first AI that can genuinely help with strategic planning at an executive level. At number 3, we have OpenAI's O3 series. Now, if you thought O1 was impressive with its reasoning capabilities, O3 represents what multiple AI researchers have described as the first signs of emergent meta-cognition. The key breakthrough here appears to be what's being called recursive self-improvement within bounded parameters, which essentially means the model can identify its own knowledge gaps and strategically seek out information to fill them, all while staying within predefined safety boundaries. In testing scenarios, O3 models have demonstrated the ability to learn completely new domains with minimal examples, sometimes mastering complex topics with just a handful of demonstrations. Imagine an AI that could read 3 research papers about a new scientific discovery, and then not only explain it to you but identify potential applications that even the original researchers hadn't considered. This has enormous implications for accelerating scientific discovery and innovation across every field. Number 2 might surprise you. xAI's Grok 3. Elon Musk's AI company has been relatively quiet, but the whispers coming from their testing programs suggest Grok 3 will be a massive leap forward in real-time information processing and what's being called contextual humor and sarcasm detection. Unlike other models that struggle with tone and cultural context, Grok 3 reportedly demonstrates an almost human-like understanding of nuance, irony, and cultural references. But the real game-changer is its integration with the X platform. Imagine an AI that doesn't just analyze historical data, but processes global conversations as they happen, identifying emerging trends, misinformation patterns, and cultural shifts in real time. This could transform everything from market analysis to disaster response, providing insights while events are still unfolding, rather than days or weeks later. And finally, at number 1, the mysterious Project Stargazer. From a consortium of Microsoft, NVIDIA, and several leading research universities. While details are scarce, leaked technical documents suggest this isn't just another language model. It's what appears to be the first, truly, omni-modal AI system. We're talking about a model that processes text, images, audio, video, and even sensory data simultaneously, creating what researchers are calling holistic understanding. Early test results reportedly show the model can watch a video of a mechanical system, listen to its operation, and identify potential failures before they occur, based on subtle audio and visual patterns that human experts would miss. This represents the convergence of AI capabilities that until now have existed in separate silos. The implications for fields like medicine, engineering, and environmental science are staggering. We could be looking at the first AI system that genuinely understands the physical world in a comprehensive way. If this glimpse into the AI revolution excites you as much as it excites me, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Insights. We're covering these developments as they happen, and with 2026 just around the corner, you won't want to miss what comes next. Let me know in the comments which of these AI developments you're most excited about, or if you've heard rumors about other groundbreaking models coming our way. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the near future of artificial intelligence. The next 12 months will likely redefine what we thought was possible with language models, and we'll be here to break down every development as it happens. In our next video, we're exploring how these advanced AIs will transform specific industries, from healthcare to creative arts. You definitely won't want to miss that one. Until then, keep looking forward.